Banging your head against a wall for 1 hour burns 150 calories. You can walk your dog for 45 minutes, which also burns 150 calories, and is much less painful. In Switzerland it is illegal to own just one guinea pig. Because guinea pigs are social animals, and they are considered victims of abuse if they are alone. Pteronophobia is the fear of being tickled by feathers. It's also a fear of feathers themselves. The word ptero is the Greek word for feather, and phobia is also Greek, meaning fear. Snakes can help predict earthquakes. They can sense a coming earthquake from 75 miles away, 121 kilometers, up to 5 days before it happens. A flock of crows is known as a murder. Some might say that a group of 2 crows is an attempted murder. The oldest your mom joke was discovered on a 3,500-year-old Babylonian tablet. It was discovered in Iraq in 1976, however since then the tablet has been lost, but the text remains preserved. If you lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground it can't hop. Kangaroos use their tails for balance whilst hopping, so if you elevate their tail, they would have no balance and fall over. Bananas are curved because they grow towards the sun. Bananas go through a process called negative geotropism. Instead of growing towards the ground, they start growing towards the sun. The fruit grows against gravity, which gives the banana its familiar curved shape. The inventor of the frisbee was cremated and made into a frisbee after he died. Walter Frederick Morrison invented the frisbee in 1948, which was originally called the Pluto platter. In 2010, at age 90 he died and his family cremated him and turned his ashes into the frisbee. If Pinocchio says my nose will grow now, it would cause a paradox. This is known as Pinocchio's paradox. If you think about it, Pinocchio's nose would have to grow to make his statement not a lie, but then it can't grow otherwise the statement would not be a lie.